Myself SAHU, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics, Bodasai PS College, Bodasai, Moiribhanj in Odisha. In this video, we will discuss about exercise 9J, example 18, VII. Let I is equal to integration range from 2 to 3, 2x e to the power x square into dx. Let x square is equal to z. Differentiating both sides, we have 2x into dx is equal to dz. Here range from 2 to 3. That is when x is equal to 2. Here for x is equal to 2, z is equal to 2 square. That is z is equal to 4. So we have when x is equal to 2, z is equal to 4. Again for x is equal to 3. That is for x is equal to 3, z is equal to 3 square. That is 9. So z is equal to 9. As x square is equal to z, so e to the power x square, that is e to the power z, and 2x dx is equal to dz. So here 2x into dx is equal to dz. Now for x is equal to 2, z is equal to 4. That is for x is equal to 2, z is equal to 4. And for x is equal to 3, z is equal to 9. So here for x is equal to 3, z is equal to 9. So I is equal to integration range from 4 to 9 e to the power z dz. So this implies I is equal to e to the power z range from 4 to 9. Here integration of e to the power z dz, that is e to the power z. And as we have range from 4 to 9, so here range from 4 to 9. Here upper limit is 9 and lower limit is 4. So this is equal to e to the power 9 minus e to the power 4. That is e to the power z. That is e to the power 9 and minus e to the power 4. So I is equal to e to the power 9 minus e to the power 4. Example 18, VII. Let I is equal to integration range from 0 to pi by 4 sin power 5x cos x dx. Let sin x is equal to z. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have cos x into dx is equal to dz. And when x is equal to 0, that is for x is equal to 0, z is equal to sin 0, that is 0. So we have when x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. And when x is equal to pi by 4, that is when x is equal to pi by 4, that is sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So z is equal to 1 by root 2. So when x is equal to pi by 4, we have z is equal to 1 by root 2. As sin x is equal to z, so sin power 5x, that is z to the power 5. And cos x dx, that is here cos x dx is equal to dz. So cos x into dx is equal to dz. So for x is equal to 0, we have z is equal to 0. That is when x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. And when x is equal to pi by 4, z is equal to 1 by root 2. So when x is equal to pi by 4, z is equal to 1 by root 2. So I is equal to range from 0 to 1 by root 2 z to the power 5 into dz. Here integration of z to the power 5 dz, that is equal to z to the power 6 by 6. And range from 0 to 1 by root 2. So here range from 0 to 1 by root 2. So I is equal to z to the power 6 by 6 range from 0 to 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2, this is the upper limit and 0 is lower limit. So putting the value of z, that is 1 by root 2, we have 1 by root 2 to the power 6 by 6 minus 0. That is for lower limit, that is for 0, 0 to the power 6, that is 0, 0 to the power 6 by 6, that is 0. So here minus 0. Here 1 by root 2 to the power 6 by 6, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into 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 root 2. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. That is 6 times multiplication of root 2 into 1 by 6. So here root 2 into root 2, that is 2. And again root 2 into root 2, this is 2. And here root 2 into root 2, this is 2. So this is 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 by 6. So this is equal to 1 by 8 into 6. Here 2 into 2 into 2, this is equal to 8 and into 6. So this is 1 by 8 into 6 and that is equal to 1 by 48. In the next video, we will discuss the next problem of the same subject.